going to present in a way of group discussion as a BT activity. Thank you.
Development is a process is a sequence of steps or activities that an enterprise employs to convince design and commercial product. A well-defined development process assures quantity, quality, coordination, planning, management, and improvement of the product.
Planning. Planning activity is also referred to as phase 0. This is because it precedes the project approval and the launch of the actual product development process. This phase begins with opportunity identification, guided by corporate strategy, and include assessment of technology development and market objectives. The output of planning phase is the project mission statement, which specifies the target market for the product, business goals, key assumptions, and constraints.
In the concept development phase, the needs of the markets are identified and alternate product concepts are generated and evaluated. One or more concepts are selected for further development and testing. A concept is a description of the form, function and features of a product and is usually accompanied by a set of specifications and analysis of competitive products and an economic justification of the project.
System level design. The system level design phase includes the definition of the product architecture, decompositions of the product into subsystems and components, preliminary design of key components, and allocations of detailed design responsibility to both internal and external resources. Initial plans for the production system and the final assembly are usually defined during this phase as well. The output of this phase usually includes a geometric layout of the product, a functional specifications of each of the product's subsystems, and preliminary process flow diagram for the final assembly process.
Detailed design. The detailed design process includes the complete specification of the geometric materials and the tolerance of all the unique parts in the products and the identification of all the parts of the purchased from suppliers.
The output of this phase is the control documentation for the product. The drawing or computer files describing the geometry of each part and its production to do. The specification of this purchasing part and the process plans for the fabrication and assembly of the product. Three critical issues in the product development process are material selection, product cost, and rigorous performance.
Testing and refinement. Develop promotions and launch materials. Facilitate field testing. Test overall performance, reliability, and durability. Obtain regularity approvals. Assess environmental impact. Implement design changes. Facilitate suppliers ramp-up. Define fabrications and assembly process. Train workforce. Define quality assurance process.
The pre-final step in the generic product development process is the production ramp-up. In the production ramp-up phase, the product is made using the internal production system. The purpose of ramp-up is to train up the workforce and to work out any remaining problems in the production process. For example, we all know that the brand Nokia, they make products in different specifications. For example, for the same model of a keypad mobile phone, they have the flashlight in one model and without flashlight they have another model. They will spread those mobile phones to a specific audience and then gain the feedback and then they will make the final product. This is the process of production ramp-up.
In printed process, first of all we need to identify customers' needs and then establishing target specifications, concept generation, concept selection, concept testing, setting final specifications, project planning, economic analysis, and then benchmarking of competitive products. Thank you.